Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Aries. We are picking few cards, guys. So, first, for your general energies, we are picking these cards. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Aries. And I have a fairy tale pick a card love reading right after this general reading, guys. So if you are interested, you can watch that, guys. So that will follow this general energy, Aries. So let's see what are these cards. We have the moon in reverse, three of suns, and five of moons. So, with these cards in your situation today, guys, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your personal life situation in this love or in this relationship. So, today in your situation, maybe for some of you, you are uh, what to say, having some confusions in your mind. You don't know what you need to do today. Maybe some doubts are there regarding something when you're making some important decisions, or maybe in your life you feel really vague about certain things, maybe, guys. And you have people helping you today, guys, Aries. Maybe someone close to you, maybe someone from your work situation. They are what to say, they are helping you, suggesting you certain things, or lending you support, helping you in your work. Some kind of teamwork is there in your situation for you, guys, and you have that courage and confidence in your heart when you are making some important choices. You know what is the right thing to do, Aries. So you work with confidence and great strength of mind. So you decide something, you stand by that decision no matter what. So it may be again something in your work situation or something in your personal life. And I also see that there is some kind of a turning point coming in your life today, guys. So you are maybe certain things are happening in such a way you are pushed to make some important decisions. And maybe for some of you, if you are able to make that right choice, you are going to see a great change in your work situation or in your personal life, guys, Aries. And that rests on your hand, guys, this positive changes, because you are the one who is going to make that right choice, guys. So uh, you may have some confusions today, but you have to think with clarity if you want to move forward making that right choice today, guys. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. So we have two of spears in reverse. So this may be what you feel about this connection or what they feel about you, or this love or this connection. So with this card, guys, I see that you are getting some important communication. Maybe it may be email or a message. So this person is telling you how they feel about you through email or letters. So some kind of communication is happening today, guys, Aries. Let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have the Sun in reverse. So, this card may be in reverse, guys. You are facing some difficulties in your career, but you are going to see success very soon, guys. Things will fall into place because this card, uh, though it is in reverse, it is a positive card, guys. So, some kind of uncertainty or doubts you have in your situation, all that is going to clear up for some of you. But for some of you, I see that maybe whatever clarity you had, it is going to change to doubts or some confusions in your career situation, guys. So that is the reading, Aries, with these cards. If you want more clarity or if you are interested, you can watch the Fairy Tale Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card, and today's reading is a special Fairy Tale Pick a Card love reading. So it may answer some questions you have in your mind, guys, regarding your situation. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can meditate for a few seconds, think about your situation, and you can think about the crystals and choose the crystal which comes to you first. So that way, that card, the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, guys, after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so we will see what is the card, the first card for us with this crystal. So we will see what it is. It is Nixie of Millpont, memory. So that is the card here. So for those who have chosen this card, maybe in your situation today, you are trying to avoid some people or you are trying to avoid a certain situation. But with this card, the clear message is that you cannot avoid it, guys, or you cannot control your own feelings. Maybe you have strong feelings towards someone and you are trying to avoid meeting them, or you are trying to avoid this connection or trying to avoid that relationship. But whatever you are trying to do, if you want to free yourself from that fear or that burden, that emotional burden you have, you should be ready to face this situation. Only then you will be able to move forward in your life, in your situation. So whatever sorrow this circumstance brings, after meeting this person, it will turn to joy and love, and you will feel that true emotional connection with this person, and that soul to soul connection and some kind of bonding. But you have some fears, that is the reason you are trying to avoid. You need to overcome those fears, guys. That is what I see with this card for those who have chosen this first card and this first crystal. So let's see what is the second card. I will leave it here now. So with this second card, guys, let's see what is the card. The Snow Queen, loyalty. So this just means that there is someone really close to you. You have a very deep friendship with someone, and this friendship stands for that innocence and that heartfelt communication, understanding. So maybe it is a very enduring friendship that you have with this person, and it has stood its time, faced lot of trials maybe, and maybe for some of you, this person you consider as your friend or very close to you, this may be the person you love. Something has come up and this person has gone cold and unresponsive. Maybe they are having some obsessions or addictions. That may be the reason. But you need to have hope in this friendship. Maybe today this it may be going through some kind of a difficult phase in this connection or in this friendship, but very soon it is going to get back. You are going to feel magic in this connection. You are going to feel loved and loyal and feel that trust with this person, guys. So everything is going to come back to what it was before. Maybe for some of you, you are missing that friendly nature of this person you love, and that this person has given you a cold shoulder, maybe for some reason, but they are going to come back to you and you are going to feel loved and you are going to feel that trust on this person once again, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen the second card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.